All right, so welcome to our channel. We are Living Light, Loving Life. I'm Austin.
I'm Tara.
Yeah, and today we are bringing you another campground RV resort review video.
This RV resort is located in Wimberly, Texas. This is in Hill Country, Texas, and it is called Horseshoe Ridge RV Resort. This place is amazing. Let's dive into it. Let's start out with, it's got 124 sites.
Yeah, they're all big rig friendly. Most of them actually, which is really awesome about this place, is how it's set up. Is all your amenities and things are kind of in the back of the resort, and the sun sets past that, which is the west. So when you do pull in, you get not the full sun half the day on your door.
Yeah, he basically, if you've been RVing as long as we have, you basically love it when an RV park takes the time to set up their sites to where you're not in full sun all day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Especially in the heat of the summers in Texas.
Especially in that area.
It gets hot.
Yeah, so that was a really cool thing. I thought just the layout of the place, how they designed it. The spots are very long.
Their spots are spacious, and their spaces, in between each site. There are, I will say, not all of them come with a patio.
So they have different levels, just like all the other resorts do and things like that. So you have your tiers, and as you pay more, you get certain things. So you might get a patio, you might not. But overall, all the sites are pretty long, and they're pretty spaced out from one another, which is always nice.
If you don't have an RV, they also have 3 of the cutest little cottage cabins that you can rent.
By the amenities.
And it's in the back by the amenities. And let me tell you just really quickly, the sunsets back by the amenities and by the cottages. And some of the RVs even have that beautiful view. Some of the most beautiful, breathtaking sunsets I've ever seen. I know I always harp on sunsets on these videos, but that's a big thing for me. I'm a sunset watcher.
Let's go into
the amenities. So like you said, when you first pull in, there's of course the check-in area, and they've got some restrooms up there for you. Cute little area. Right past that is
a dog park right there.
A dog park, and then you can they've got a propane filling station.
Yeah, and they actually do the propane where you can put your bottles out, put your side on it, and they'll actually come do it and bring it back to you.
Also, when you check in, be sure and rent a golf cart. This is a big park, 124 sites, and like we said, some of them are located, some of your sites might be located more towards the front where all the amenities are in the back.
They've got a really cool outdoor area that has a TV, and they were doing football games when we were there. They did a movie night for the kids. So they do activities down there. It's a really cool area. It has a big fireplace.
Oh my gosh, it's a huge pavilion, like a full bar. You can bring your food down there. There's
cook on
2
their
grills.
There was fire pits down there.
There is 2 beautiful pickleball courts.
We actually got into pickleball when we were there.
We did.
Went and bought our own paddles and everything.
We are serious about some pickleball. So if you meet us out on the road, let's play some pickleball.
Sure. But really nice. They're fenced in, so that's always nice. What else is down there? So you've got cornhole. So that's kind of the outdoor area. It's really pretty and really covered. Trees everywhere, so it was real shaded at night and things like that. So that's always a bonus, especially when the sun is setting that way.
Right off of the pavilion, like he was just talking about, is you've got restrooms, and then you've got an indoor clubhouse. Inside there, they have a pool table. They have, what did the kids like playing so
shuffleboard.
much? Shuffleboard. Shuffleboard is so fun. I don't know if you've ever played it, but it's so fun.
They had a bunch of games for kids, so we were able to sit down and just play games in this little
comfortable
nice
couches. A little kitchen area.
They had a TV in there too that you can watch.
The kitchen. Another thing, every Saturday they hosted either a pancake breakfast or coffee and donuts.
Yeah, while we were there.
Every Saturday that we were there, which is just so amazing when parks do that. It's really nice. Right off the clubhouse is also a 24/7 self-serve trading post.
Yeah, it's like a convenience store, just shrunken a little bit.
It's a convenience store. You type in your code and you have full access to it. Yeah. It's got a cash register there. You swipe your item, pay for it, and you're on your way. Super convenient for it to be 24/7 self-serving.
Yeah, that is
the first time that we've ever seen that.
That was a first for us.
And that was really pretty cool.
Yep, that was really cool. I think their centerpiece is the pool, right? This is a true resort pool. The sunsets over this thing were just amazing.
Once again, these resorts that are putting in these pools,
they just keep getting
they just blow our minds. They just keep getting better and better.
Yeah, it's pretty nuts.
You know, another thing I wanted to touch base on is we actually stayed at this park for only a week about a year ago. So a year ago, we spent a week there, and ever since we stayed, we knew we wanted to come back
for a longer period
and stay, because we just weren't ready to go whenever we left. There's so much to do in the area, but in a year's time, I can honestly tell you, like, nothing looked different. Everything was so clean and well kept that it looked just as brand new as it did the first time that we visited. Their maintenance and the people who have cleaning and just taking care of the place,
constantly doing stuff the whole time we were there.
They're doing such a great job. It's beautiful.
I will say the staff there was awesome.
Yeah, everyone's so friendly.
Everyone's so nice. You can get packages there and things like that. They do offer high-speed Wi-Fi. I'm pretty bad at not testing the Wi-Fi and showing you guys because we carry our own. And once again, I did that. So I can't tell you how good it is, but they do have it.
Another thing that really stood out to us is their attention to being an eco-friendly park.
They've set up like rainwater systems that catch the water, and they can store it during the dry seasons and use that for their irrigation systems.
They're a dark sky community, so all of their lights within the park are dark sky friendly, which I thought is really cool. You can see really the stars. The stars are beautiful.
Make sure you look up.
One thing that drew us to this area to come back again this time was the whole town of Wimberly. It's got so many fun things to do.
There.
It's just very charming. All the restaurants down there are like getting it. We're like, why doesn't everyone get it? That we have, we're families that have kids. All the restaurants there have playgrounds or things to do for the kids.
Mostly they're all outside.
And it's mostly all outside, but it's so cool because you can go and you can
little shops around there are really cool.
Yeah, it's just a really cute little area. I will highly recommend going to Blue Hole Regional Park.
Yeah, that was cool.
It is just crystal clear water in Cypress Creek, and they have like the rope swings that you can swing off into the creek, but I will say they do a very good job of conservation also, so they only allow so many people a day, so you do have to get online and reserve your tickets, and during busy seasons like summer, you want to reserve those way in advance, because we were there and we're in September, and it was still, I had to book like 3 weeks out.
And you do have to pay for that. It is like a half day.
You do have to pay for that, but it's a cool place. I highly recommend it. I think it's worth every penny. But yeah, there's pretty places to hike. There's
kayaking around,
wineries, breweries,
tons.
It's almost like it's like the next Fredericksburg, Texas, where there's all the wineries and all the breweries. This place is probably like falling right behind that, because every time we visit, there's more popping up everywhere. So
it's a really cool place.
Yeah, very cool. You have to visit.
So overall on this park, when it comes to true RV resorts, which is what this is, right? It's up there with those. It's up there.
We give it 5 stars for sure.
I give it 5 stars for sure. I mean, it's laid out very well. The people were awesome.
Yeah.
Even the people that were longer term there were awesome.
Able to easily spend a month there. So if you're just going for a weekend or a week, it's no problem.
Yep.
You'll love it.
So I think that really wraps it up on this one, right?
I think so.
So yeah, guys, we appreciate
Horseshoe Ridge RV Resort in Wimberly, Texas.
Yeah, go check it out. Holler at us. But yeah, like and subscribe like always, guys.
Yep.
And until next week, see ya.
Bye.